Well, YouTube, we got some bad news, man. The cat is down.
No, God!
I'm 90% sure my fuel pump went out.
No!
I was driving home the other day, and it just shut off on me. I crunk it up, it run for about 5 seconds, sputter, stall out. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's doing right now. Y'all hear that? It won't even stay running. I done plug my scan in. It's not throwing no codes on it. So I went into the fuel pressure and all that data, live data. I had to read the live data on it. And it's dropping the low pressure or whatever. You know, it's hard to explain. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about for real. But this is supposedly the main fuel pump. This is where the dual fuel pumps are, I'm pretty sure. And that fuel pump over there, I'm pretty sure that fuel pumps sends the fuel to the engine. So when I turn the ignition on, I can hear this fuel pump right here prime. And I can feel it vibrate. But if I put my hand on that fuel pump right there, it doesn't prime, it doesn't make no noise, it doesn't vibrate or nothing. And I unplug this one, and then it won't even start up then if I unplug this one. But if I unplug that one, it does the same thing that it does when it's plugged in. So I'm pretty sure that's the fuel pump that's fucked up. But I mean, this car don't even have 10,000 miles on it, so I don't know, man. But that's the risk you take when you buy a car from Copart. So if you're not mechanically inclined, Copart is just not for you. But this is what that one looks like. I can't even find the part nowhere. So I'm about to take it out, show y'all what it looks like. Maybe a hose came off inside, so it can't build no pressure. But I'm about to diagnose it right now. Maybe I can fix it, hopefully. I'm praying that that's the problem, but you know, probably gonna have to buy a new one. That's probably another 1,000. Hey, but correct me if I'm wrong. If y'all know what the problem is or this happened to y'all, drop some hints in the comments, man. Help me out. I don't know everything. I'm just trying to figure this shit out. But I'm about to prop y'all up, take that fuel pump out. We about to see what's going on in there. Make sure you take the battery off just to be safe. But you gotta unhook this, then you gotta unhook all this shit. And then this metal ring around it. It's a special tool to take it off, but we a little ghetto, so we can use a flat head and pin it against it, loosen it up. Then we should be able to take the pump right out, see what's going on, man. So I'm about to prop y'all up. All right, it's the next day, but I got it taken out, so let me show y'all what we looking at. This is what it looks like, taken out. It still got the bottom hoses hooked out, that orange one and this green brown looking one, because they go to the bottom of that pump over there. So when I get the new pump, I'm gonna have to take that pump out, unhook the hoses at the bottom that connect to this one, and then I'll be able to pull this one out. I called every single dealer, not every dealership, but I called a nearby dealership. And basically the pump is on national back order, and I can't find it nowhere. They don't know when they're gonna get back in stock or whatever. So I looked everywhere on Facebook Marketplace, anywhere you can find a part, basically, and I couldn't find nothing. I found one though on eBay. It's a used one, and it has low miles on it. But they were selling both pumps. They were selling the pump I need on that side, and they're selling the dual pump. And I don't need the dual pump. So they wouldn't split it up neither, so I had to buy both. All right, package I got here, so let's take a look at it. It's just the part that I needed right here. All right, like I said earlier, we gotta take this one out now. Unhook the hoses at the bottom of this one that's connected to that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and prop y'all up and get this one taken out. That's just want to show y'all this little black tube right here that I'm touching right here. There's a green hose that connects to that one. You can be fighting this little clip right here in the small space, so you can take that hose off. Then there's another one right down there. See it in the gas right there? I don't know how I'm gonna get that one off. We're gonna be about 30 minutes trying to fight that one and get it off. Then I can take everything out. Put the new one in. We finally got the old one out. This is the new one right here. I'm gonna feed these lines over to that one and hook everything up. Then we can see what we got going on. All right, we finally got everything hooked back together, man. We got this side hooked up and that side hooked up. Everything plugged in. Real pain in the ass. Bro done pulled up on me. It's the grand finale, man. We gotta see if it primes and it works. Hook this battery up. Shit. See if that shit, if I can feel vibration, man. Hold on. Let it prime up a couple times.
You feel vibration?
Think so.
Oh shit. Come on, kitty cat.
See. Yeah. I tell you I know what I'm doing. I tell you I know what I'm doing.
There are a couple baby revs, bro.
Hell no, I got a cold start.
I said baby revs, but I feel you though. Cat is alive, y'all, boy, hopefully.
Sir.
Hold it, coming inside. Uh-oh. What? No. No. What the fuck?
Fuck. Bullshit up. Hey, I thought I had it. Didn't have it, so I'm gonna change this one out. See what that do to do, you know what I mean?
Get to it, nigga.
Boy, this nigga elbow deep in that gas, but you gonna have to take a mean ass shower.
Okay. God damn.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Fuck you bobbing for?
Huh?
Man, hey,
Nigga,
you remember we couldn't find no videos of niggas doing this, nigga? You about to get some views off of this.
Okay, nigga.
Changing a dual fuel pump on a Hellcat Redeye jailbreak Charger 2023. Last call, nigga.
You might come out with skin cancer, but it'll be worth it, bro. That's fine, bro.
Give a fuck.
Nigga, I'm about to be green.
What?
Okay, bro.
Shit might get stuck.
What you reaching for?
Don't get your elbow in there, bitch. Cause you definitely getting stuck. That low ass hole. No diddy. No diddy. And he been over in front of me and talking about some low ass hole. Man, get this short arm nigga to get in there, man.
Who the hell?
Bitch, you just come for you go to home take a shower.
Shit. What are you reaching for?
There you go. He got his arm in there now.
The fuse? Or the, what the one shit called? Hey, bitch. I told you
Fuck with a fuse in here, bro.
Not a fuse, but the,
Fucking gas tank.
Fuck you, bitch. Asshole, man.
Oh my god.
Wait, that's the way this nigga be looking, bro. That shit be too funny.
My arm stuck, bro.
Nigga, you gotta lean back and stretch your arm all the way up.
Fuck your arm stuff.
Bring it to a fucking angle or something. Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
You got it?
What am I getting? Alright, fuck it.
That's the new one?
Yeah. Alright, man. Fuck.
Just got it.
Is this that stabilizer shit you got on there? The lines?
Yeah. That shit dumb as a bitch. Well,
Fuck you hate me.
let's get to it, nigga. Bullshit.
Get him a little rundown. What you doing now?
I don't even know what I'm doing, bro. You just go ahead and put this one on now. No cap.
Boy.
Just make sure y'all boy paying attention what he doing. He ain't know what he doing, but he know what he doing at the same time.
Facts.
Alright. Turn this fucking clip over.
It's good shit, bro. That's time he didn't start open up a shop already. He bullshit.
We were talking about that shit the other day.
God damn, bro. I'll just do the niggas oil changes in that bitch. You do all this kind of shit.
Fuck all that shit, bro. I ain't doing this shit on nobody's shit. Son of a bitch.
Just had Casey change niggas' tires and shit.
Nigga, I can weld, nigga.
And
I can do
Justin,
muff delete, resonator delete. We can do exhaust install. Any type of exhaust work you need.
shit, man. Had Theo just sitting at the desk taking in niggas' appointments and shit. Man, I know what.
Jaden can paint.
Yeah, Jaden paint.
Jaden can do some paint work.
I know what Justin role gonna be.
The fuck is that? Oh.
Now what it is?
All right, now don't create no fucking spot, bitch. We dead back this motherfucker.
Tell him, boy. Imagine we had a lot of boy. I like that bitch was the troll, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
Blow your bitch ass. Blow
And I would have come around the corner and seen nothing but smoke in the fucking.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
That'd be some hell shit if they don't stay on, bro. But it's gotta fix it, bro.
You hold that?
Just gotta fix it, bro.
Alright.
Just gotta fix it.
Turn this fucking battery on. Please. Please. This should be fucking sparking though. I got gas in my hand.
This nigga about to light on. Oh,
Load this bitch.
man, what the fuck was that? Oh, I about to say. I thought this nigga light up for real just now, boy.
Take this shit out, man. Please, come on.
Come on, baby.
Let me go stand to the front.
I did. It's getting better. Let's do that shit fast, nigga. Please. Come on, baby.
Let it prime first, at least. What sound like you cocking a gun up to this bitch? What a supercharger? It's dropping? Oh no, just wait. Give about another. I can hear it. I can hear one die. It's just like when you go idle, that's when it start doing that shit. The supercharger sounds loud as hell just now, boy. But y'all, oh, oh, oh. Like it sounds like it's releasing air or some shit. Why that shit sound so loud? It sound like louder. You put something on it, bitch? What the fuck? That bitch say,
Alright, YouTube. I done about everything I can do, or I think I can do. And I still can't figure out why I won't run past a minute and a half. I think at this point, it's gotta be like something electrical or something like that. And so what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna just take it to the shop, let them diagnose it for me, probably end up fixing it myself, just let them see what's wrong with it, or if it's something simple, just let them do it right there. But this is the car right here. I ended up taking off the airbag suspension because it was really just giving me problems, and I wasn't the one to put it on, so it was all everywhere, you know what I mean? But this is how it sits right now, stock suspension. I'm gonna end up putting lowering springs on it later on. That's gonna be another video. But right now, I'm about to take it to the dealership, let them diagnose it for me. I got a trailer in the front yard right now. So this probably gonna be part 1 video, and then that video is gonna be part 2 when I get it fixed. And then I'm gonna probably drop them at the same time, or it might all be one video, we'll see. But that's the trailer. I'm gonna load it up and then get it over to the dealership. That's why I'm loading it with, Big Rambo. But yeah, man, that's the information. That's the update I got y'all right now. So see you on the next video, man.
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day, and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Listen, how you expect to win if you don't try? I can see my dream life every time I close my eyes. See myself on MTV girls with a car from Pimp My Ride. Got a pocket full of racks and a goddess on my side. You know I'm a star student, cause it's first class when I fly. When I'm outside with my fans, people ask me who am I. Keep it smooth, keep it simple, I just tell them I'm that guy. I'm a legend while I'm living, I'll be the same way when I die. Said I'ma make it, niggas hate, now everybody look surprised.